It's a beautiful day in the islands. I'm just here out in the Virgin Islands, just taking in the beauty of the islands. Look at this. Enjoy nature with me, will you? Such a beautiful day. Happy Easter, everybody. It's good to be in nature, enjoying the presence of the Lord. His creation is beautiful.